These are about 90 Hong Kong dollar, and we bought some of these as well. And you can see they have a lot of different things. We bought it from her. And okay, Marty, let's keep going. Let's look at everything, okay? Come on. And you can see here's shirts. They got Superman backpacks. Or Spider-Man, see? Hey, there's really nice purses there, Elaine.
Hold on, check again.
Elaine, look. Nice purses.
라인 있잖아, 라인.
걔들 썼어?
아, 라인 뭐.
冇所謂，冇所謂。我其實我係有啲高嗰啲。